KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make this mad little recipe. I'm going to call it turkey palak with fresh dal curry. Alright, basically we're going to do some nice little turkey meatballs and make a really simple curry. Alright, so here I've got 500 grams ish worth of turkey mince. Put that straight into a bowl and make sure you remove that pad or that paper that they put on the bottom. Make sure you remove that because it does not taste good, and believe me, I have tried that before. I'm going to add in around about a tablespoon-ish worth of coriander powder or ground coriander. That can go straight on top, just like that. And I'm going to add in around about the same again of some onion powder and garlic powder. Alright, so around about a half a tablespoon-ish worth of both. I'm also going to add in a little bit of allspice. That can go straight in, not normally the sort of Indian spicing that you would use. A little bit of coriander, cumin powder, that can go straight in. Give that a really good vigorous mix up, just like I'm doing right there. Now if you have a look on the right hand side, you can see I have my ice cream scoop. Now it's the perfect way to make up a perfect sized meatball. This is a small ice cream scoop, so there are different sizes. Of course, you can get larger, you can get even larger again. This is a nice little ice cream scoop, and I'm just going to make up little rustic meatballs using the ice cream scoop. Give that a dip in some room temperature water from time to time. It's going to help stop the ground turkey sticking to your little ice cream scoop. Alright, so we're simply going to put those onto a tray, into the oven, 180 degrees, around about 15, maybe 20 minutes. Alright, here I've got a little bit of butter. You could use ghee if you really wish and want to be more authentic. We can put that straight into a saucepan. I'm using the wok because it films better. Right, I'm just going to melt that butter down, and here I've got some garam masala, again with that ground coriander powder. We're going to let that sort of cook off a little bit. Again, a little bit of garlic powder that can go straight in, and I'm going to do the same with some onion powder, around about a tablespoon's worth. Give that a stir from time to time. Get those little spices cooked off. Very, very, very simple. So all we have is the garam masala, coriander powder. We've got the onion powder, and I've also put in a little bit of cumin powder. I forgot to film that, I'm sorry. Here I've got a 250 gram bag of frozen spinach. Right, nothing wrong with using frozen spinach. We can just get that going. I'm going to stir that through all those beautiful spices, just like I'm doing right there. This is a very quick and very easy and budget recipe. Alright, 400 gram can of coconut milk. Yes, I've given that a good shake through, and look at that beautiful colour. Right, keep bringing that up to temperature. I'm going to add in a little bit of freshly ground black pepper to taste. You can use as much or little of that as you wish. Alright, 2 tablespoons worth of tomato paste concentrate. Right, that can go straight in, and that's going to give us a nice sweetness as well as a beautiful colour. And the colour is going to end up being so rich. 400 gram can of drained lentils, and I've also given those a bit of a rinse. Now, as you can see, the colour has changed already. I'm going to add my meatballs straight in like I'm doing right there, so we can bring that up to its required heat. So once your sauce comes up to a real nice steaming type situation, well, we're going to be ready to serve up. Okay, very, very simple. And the turkey mince is quite lean. It's very, very healthy. And there are 2 different types of turkey mince you can buy. You can buy turkey breast, or you can just buy turkey mince. I prefer to just buy the turkey mince. It's got a little bit more fat in it. It's a little bit more forgiving, and it's quite a sustainable type of meat. Alright, put the balls in, give them a bit of a stir through, just like I'm doing right there. And if you haven't tried using turkey mince or even frozen spinach in a recipe before, you don't know what you're missing. It's quite inexpensive. Check for seasoning. Make sure we've got enough salt in there. I'm pretty happy with that. And all we're going to do now is add in around about 3 or 4 tablespoons worth of cream. I'm going to give that a bit of a stir through, just like that. And that cream is going to add that beautiful butter flavor to our sauce as well. And it's amazing what that can do to a dish. All right, here I've got a little Asian style dish. I'm just going to pack my rice into that. As you can see, I'm going to put my plate on top, my bowl on top, and that's going to make the perfect little mold. Give it a little bit of a slap, and look at that. We've got this beautiful little mold of rice right in the center, and all we have to do now is serve up our beautiful turkey Palak with fresh dal curry, as I am calling it. Basically turkey meatballs in a spinach and lentil curry. Alright, how easy was that to make? Love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit a notification bell to be notified every time a new video goes up. Hey, leave a comment. I love reading and responding to them. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms and social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom right out there. We're at 800 plus recipes deep and counting. Alright, I'm off to eat my turkey Palak and dal curry, and I will catch you next time. Bye!